Time to put some miles on the giveaway car and make it a little bit dirty. But this is the car that I am about to give away. Good luck, everyone. So we know that these brushed ones aren't all about speed. Heck, it'll probably be lucky to do 20, 22 miles per hour. But being that I've never seen a run on this snap-on car before, I'm gonna go ahead and do a speed run on it anyway, just to see. And then I'm gonna throw it in some dirt. I'm gonna keep this video real short because I know a lot of my videos run long, and I'm gonna try to save y'all some time. So we're gonna do some speed runs, and then we're gonna go throw it in the dirt, and then I'm gonna clean it up to get it prepared for whoever wins it. So okay, she is reading. Let's see what it does. I'm not expecting a whole lot. Oh, and I am not getting a whole lot out of it either. Just the steering trim, just a hair. Meow. It's got good brakes though, I gotta give it that. What was that, maybe 18? 17. So speed demon, she is not. Let's see how it is on the dirt though. All right, time for some playing on the dirt. Hey, now that's a little bit more like it. Like I said, I don't want to beat up on this guy too much. I'm really going to try to not scratch the body. So I'm sorry, but I'm not going to take it off any jumps or anything. Because this is the giveaway car. This is the car that you guys will be winning. So I just wanted to play with it. I might be a little bit crazy for giving away this thing. You know, you can't get them. And heck, I see them going for as much as $1,300 on eBay, and of course as cheap as about $700, but still, that's a lot of money for this car. It is a special edition, and that body is just awesome. But yeah, hey, these things are some high-dollar cars, very collectible. So I just don't want to beat it up too much, but I do want to have some fun with it. I paid for it, so heck, might as well have a little bit of fun with the guy. It is an easy car to drive. I tell you what, with a better power system. Actually, I have the VXL3 version of this car, and boy, that thing is fast. It'll do 60, no problem. Matter of fact, there's a video on this channel showing it doing 60 and then playing in the dirt a little bit, and even doing some drag racing with the CEN Puma. Which is very, very close to it as far as speed goes. But hey, I like this little thing. This is a very easy to control, nice driving little car. Easy to send into some donuts. Easy to pull out of the donuts too when you're ready. Look at that. Like a little champ. You just throw it into some donuts and just pulls right out when you're ready to. And lots of control. Lots of control. I dig it. She ain't the fastest thing by a long shot, but it sure does look cool when it does the driving it does. Boy, I swear I could speak English just Not too well sometimes. I can only speak 2 languages. That's English and bad English. Oh, it's soaking this stuff up just great though. Little bouncy bouncy. Oh, off the rock there. Fortunately, it does have the same wheels and tires as the VXL3, so if these things could stand up to what the VXL system pushes out, I have no problem on this BL system. Sorry guys, I had to do it. I had to drive it at least a little bit. I'll probably never see another one of these in person, ever get a chance to lay my hands on another one after this one is given away to the winner. Well, I wish the winner the best of luck with this one, because this is an awesome little car. Boy, it's handling this rough stuff like a little champ. Look at that little bugger go. And what a great runtime it has. I'm really not too sure how far I'm into it. I have stopped the camera a couple times just to futz around with the car, and yeah, it's still going. That battery is still running strong on it. I like this little guy. Yeah, he's expensive, but he's collectible. So I'm gonna make sure I do the best I can to clean this thing up and get it all spick and span for its winter. I really don't want to drive it too much more, because I don't want to hurt it. It's a collectible car. It's a special car, and this is gonna be one of y'all's cars. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos for your chance to enter to win this car free of charge. You don't have to pay anything for entry fee. You won't even have to pay shipping or anything. Just like and subscribe, and this little guy can be yours. It's Dude RC. I hope you guys have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Catch you on the next one.